Are you hungry?
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to a new episode of Görgött. You know I love sandwiches, so today we're making a cheese toast. I saw this on Instagram lately and it looked so good. It's a simple cheese toast with some crunchy chili. So we'll make that today. It's perfect kind of in-between meal. And yeah, we'll see how it tastes. It's the first time I make it as well, but we have some good stuff. So in the end, if you take good stuff, mix it with other good stuff, it's going to turn out great. But before we get started, as always, please click the subscribe button. That helps me a lot to continue producing this kind of content. And you can check the little bell icon as well, and that gives you notifications when new episodes come online, which is basically every Tuesday and Thursday. But now let's have a look at what we have here. It's very simple. We have some homemade sourdough. We have it's actually Swiss cheddar, a nice yellow cheddar. We have some crunchy chili. We have some salted butter, and we have some mayonnaise. In this case, it's KewPie. And what we're gonna do is, we're gonna start by putting mayonnaise on one side, the outside. Spread it nicely. And then now turning this, and on the inside, we put some butter. Plenty of butter. Butter is good. Now I'll just show you, because I can't put this down now because we have mayonnaise on one side. So we put our cheese, plenty of cheese, 3 good slices. And then you do the same on the other piece. So butter, mayo. Let's go fry it. I just realized I forgot to show you one step. So this is still the bread with the mayo on the other side, the butter, and then the cheese. And obviously we need to put some of the chili crunch. It's relatively spicy, so if you don't like it spicy, put very little. And obviously if you don't like it spicy at all, you can leave this out. But there we have plenty of chili crunch. Now we're putting the butter over it. And here comes mayonnaise again, but I will not show that because I want to put the bread down. So we do it like that. And now we get over to the frying pan. So we'll start again with some salted butter. Our pan is quiet, means it's hot, so we put in our sandwich. I have it on medium heat. On my stovetop is on the 6 out of 10. Because we don't want it to burn too quickly. It takes a time for the cheese to melt. In between we can press a bit on it. Now we can slowly turn it. Press again. So we're done. You can see the cheese is melted. I like to eat my sandwiches with my hands, so we're gonna let it cool a bit before we put it on a plate and eat it. But that's basically it. I would say it's about 3 minutes on each side on medium heat. It's cooled a bit. You can touch it. It's still warm, but you can touch it. Now let's cut through it. That looks pretty good. Put it on a plate. And let's bite into this. Time to get into this. It's really, really good, but it's probably not that healthy. But fat is always good. Got the spiciness of the chili flakes, the nice kind of saltiness from the salted butter and the cheese, and it's just drenched in fat, but that's really good. It's perverse, but incredibly good. I don't want to know how many calories this dish has, but it's for sure yummy. What's important is that you take a nice cheese that has a bit of taste to it. Get some nice bread. I love to make it with sourdough, but if you prefer toast bread or even kind of a Japanese milk bread, a shokopan, I can imagine a shokopan would be even more perverse. But this is definitely a dish that is comfort food. Hangover, this will cure it for sure. Now, if you stuck with me this far, I know it was a short one today, but please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like the episode, and if you haven't done so yet, click the subscribe button. But that's pretty much it for this time. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.